Excellent. And
I was successful in getting a job,
yes.
which is amazing.
Reveal.
So yeah, I wanted something that was not just a one-day thing. I knew that I needed lots of support with practice, so that was something that the academy could offer. I knew that you were very good at teaching, and I just thought having that support with the cohort would be really useful. The first thing I learned was about the 5 milestones, which was good because it just broke down the vast volume of things that you might need to know into simple and manageable steps. I was worried about not having enough USPs. I'm one of the people that thinks, well, I haven't really got that much special stuff about me. I'm just a standard trainee. Listening to other people come up with ideas for their USPs really prompted me to think more about, the specifics in my CV and what was good and what I could use. It's amazing. And I'm still in shock. It's probably been a month at least now. But yeah, I just feel really proud of myself. We are managing to move to a location that we really, really want to settle down. So yeah, there was a lot of high stakes attached to the interview. So yeah, really, really happy that we've got it. Don't be on the fence, just do it. 100% worth it. I think that the money is so well spent and the support is unprecedented. The videos are amazing. The whole ethos of it is so good. Just that 20 minutes a day is so manageable when you're working busy rotas, especially emergency rotas. It can be hard to fit it all in. And the one-to-one bits as well with you have been super useful. And I think that's something that you don't get from a one-day course, is it? That dedicated one-to-one time is really important, especially I guess for those people that are a little bit more introvert and maybe don't want to speak up on the group sessions. Having a bit of personalised feedback and one-to-one support is really useful, and especially in that week before, it was really valuable.
It was never in doubt that you were going to get that job, Suzie. You were brilliant. I had zero doubt.